If you're a small business, you need to be marketing on social media. But the problem is, if you're a small team, you don't have the time to go and record some trendy, cool looking TikToks or Instagram Reels because you're trying to grow your business. But the good news is there's a way to get a ton of content in just a couple minutes. I'm going to show you how to do it here with workflows in Kittl. As you've signed up and got logged in, which the link is down in the description, you're going to arrive here on the AI Hub, and then you're going to see start a workflow with all of these different categories like merch, videos, product visuals, all the things you need to get amazing marketing materials. But I'm going to click on UGC videos right here, and these are so simple and easy to use. Let's say I'm going to be marketing something like jewelry. So for example, we have this faceless try on AI video of this necklace. Now, let me go ahead and click this open, and all you have to do is upload or select an image you already uploaded to Kittl, give it a couple of context notes, and then hit generate. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and drag in, and no, I'm not selling this. It's just an example that I generated for the sake of this video. I am going to say mid-30s woman, trendy clothes. We're going to say living room, and then we could even select multiple videos if we wanted to. Let's go ahead and select 2 videos. You're going to see how much it costs to generate. Of course, you see a preview here and all of the settings like seed dance 2, how long it'll be, and the aspect ratio, which is going to be vertical. Perfect for marketing on social. So let me go ahead and hit generate. And while this is happening, you can actually leave and go work on something else. You can work on a new workflow. You could open up the editor in Kittl and start creating other things. But I want to show you another cool one that I already did while these are loading in. So if I go back here and I see right here under my recent creations, I used that same workflow, but I uploaded a product image of some bracelets and simply just said showing the bracelet on the wrist. And look at that. It took the context of my pendant bracelets and it showed it here on the wrist. Isn't that super, super neat? Now I could generate it again. I could change the context here. I could change the background. And before you know it, you can come up with a ton of posts for your social in like an afternoon. Now, there's a couple things you can do here. We can download it as an MP4 from right here, or we can click edit to open it in a project, maybe crop it, make it a square or a 4:5 ratio, or some other ratio for another social media that you might want to market on. But let's go back and see how our necklace try on video is doing. Okay, our necklace try on videos are now ready. You can see them both right here, and they look pretty good. I mean, honestly, even the 2 different shots here, I mean, the length of the necklace is very, very similar actually. So this is a great way to get content like this. Download it, add some text in TikTok or Instagram. Maybe you're running a sale or free shipping or something like that. Throw some trendy audio on it, and now you have tons of marketing material to advertise your product. And not only that, we have so many other workflows to get things like product shots, listing videos for your website, or if you're selling on Etsy, other marketing workflows to help you get more images, help you with your branding. There are so many different ways to get a variety of product shots and videos for your socials, so that way you can focus on what matters, which is running your small business. Now, if there is a workflow that would help you that you don't see, maybe for a particular product that yours isn't applying to these, comment down below so that we can take that, put it in the queue so we can help you go farther faster. And while you're down there, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss helpful videos just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.